you guys called I Am. So it's still a journey, but every day he's just presenting his newness, his love.
Oh, yes, yes. Come on.
Some things can't be explained by human knowledge. They are because they are, just like God is because he's just is.
Yes.
Just like I am who I am, and whose I am rests and abide within me.
Come on.
I am supernatural, filled with the power that is internal, so it makes me unnatural. And my uniqueness is what defines me as unfamiliar. So they ask, who is she? That's what they all ask, and that's what they all wonder, which cause their minds to ponder because their blind eyes can't see. Because if they really knew me without finite reasoning, they wouldn't question my being. I am a peculiar creature with distinct features, which features a past of disgrace and shame to a present of me now knowing his name, to a future of praise to the God who saves.
Yes.
My walk is destined, and my steps are indeed